So very good afternoon everyone, myself Vinod. Today I came with a new topic here, that is relationship among R, H and T, that is maximum range, maximum height and time of flight. So before going to that, just let me recollect the previous lecture that we discussed on range, and we already know generally range formula is u square sine 2 theta by g, and also we discussed the maximum condition of range, and here the sine 2 theta function is maximum value is 1, and which is maximum value is possible at 90 degrees. So from here sine 2 theta can be written as sine 90 degrees because sine 90 value is 1. Here sine gets cancelled, and from here 2 theta equals to 90 degrees, from here theta value is 45 degrees. So that means at theta equals to 45 degrees my range is going to be maximum. So now we'll see R maximum is possible at an angle 45 degrees. So what is the value of R maximum at an angle theta 45? We'll see. So nothing we have to do, we just simply put the value of theta in the place of theta here. So then my R maximum will be equals to u square sine 2 times of 45 by g, and then my R maximum becomes sine 2 times of 45 is sine 90, sine 90 value is 1 and remaining is u square by g. So this is the maximum value of range. Okay, this is the maximum value of range. So moreover I would like to give one clarification here. For example, if I consider my R value at theta, we have a formula that is u square sine 2 theta by g. Just now we discussed, if R value is at 90 minus theta, that means for the complementary angles this formula will be same, that is we'll see now how it will be. Sine of 2 into 90 minus theta, this can by g, this can also be written like this, u square sine 2 into 90 is 180 minus 2 into theta becomes 2 theta by g, and then here my R at 90 minus theta can be written as again u square sine 2 theta by g, because here 180 minus 2 theta gives you sine of 180 minus 2 theta is sine 2 theta, and remaining as it is we got. So here for the 90 minus theta also we got the same value, and for the theta value is also we got same value. From here we can say that R at theta is equals to R at 90 minus theta. So what does it mean? It means the range value is same for the complementary angles. That means if I take the initially 30 degrees and 60 degrees together is 90. So for this kind of problems, for this kind of angles, the range will be maximum. If I take 15 degrees and 75 degrees, likewise if I take 53 degrees and 37 degrees, so like this kind of angles the range value is maximum. This is what the conclusion in the case of range value. And next we'll see something about relationship among R, H and T. We'll see now. Right, now we'll see relation between or among range, maximum height and time of flight. We'll see the relation among them, and first let me write the formulas. Initially my range formula is u square sine 2 theta by g, and the second one is my maximum height formula is u square sine square theta by 2g, and third one my time of flight formula is 2u sine theta by g. These are the three different formulas we have, and here first let me take the relationship among R and H, and then let me take the relationship between H and T. We'll see. So before starting is what? R and H relation. So we know R value and we know H value, right? So from there, so from here H value is generally u square sin square theta by 2g. From here u square can be written as 2gh by sine square theta. Yes or no? Yes. And now I am going to substitute this u square in the place of range formula. So generally our range formula what? U square sine 2 theta by g. This is our range formula. Now I am going to take the u square value as like this. Then my r becomes, what is the u square value here? Just now we got, that is 2gh by sine square theta into remaining sine 2 theta by g. And further simplification here, sine 2 theta can be written as 2 sine theta cos theta. I am rewriting here, that is 2gh by sine square theta into sine 2 theta I am writing as 2 sine theta into cos theta by g. Now this gets cancelled, and here 1 sine theta gets cancelled, and remaining is r is equals to, here I left with 2h into here 2 cos theta by down is sine theta, and 2 2s are 4, 4 into h, 4h. So now here it becomes 4h cos theta by sine theta, and I am sending sine value this side, it becomes sine theta by cos theta into r is equals to 4h. From here r sine by cos is nothing but tan theta, r tan theta equals to 4h. This is the relationship between, what? R and my h. So just take this equation as equation number 1. So now I got the relationship between what? My r value and h. This is r tan theta is equals to 4h. In the same way we will see the relationship between h and t. Just remember this value I am writing here, that is r tan theta is equals to 4h. This is one conclusion we got. Similarly we should get one more value, that is h and t formula we will see. Right, now we will see the relationship between h and t. If I see the relationship between h and t, first let me write the time of flight formula, that is 2u sin theta by g, and from here u becomes what? Tg by 2 sin theta. Yes or no? And we already know maximum height formula, that is h is equals to u square sin square theta by 2g. I am going to replace u value with this value, then my maximum height becomes u square, no, this becomes what? 2g by 2 sin theta whole square into sin square theta by 2g as it is I wrote, and then here h is equals to t square g square by 4 sin square theta, because this is whole square, 2 sin theta whole square becomes 4 sin square theta into sin square theta by 2g. Now this sin square theta gets cancelled, 1g gets cancelled. Now 4 2s are 8. From here h is equals to 1 by 8 times of gt square will be getting. This is one more relation between what? My h and t. This is t. So let this is equation number 2. So one more equation what we got here, that is h is equals to 1 by 8 g t square. This is one more expression. So from equation 1 and 2, we can compare the 3 values, that is r, h and t we can compare. So initially first equation is what? R tan theta is equals to 4h. This can also be written as 4 times of h, means this is 1 by 8 gt square. Now 4 2 times will go, and finally r tan theta is equals to 4h, which is equals to 1 by 2 gt square. So this is the final expression of comparing my range, height and time of flight. So this is the final equation here. Okay, in the next lecture we are going to see the equation of trajectory. Thank you so much.